Let's go ahead and open up the hatch. Now the process for the left side and right side hatch strut is the exact same. You will need to get a small flathead screwdriver. That's the trick for this job, a small screwdriver, because it has to fit in right over there in that slot to pull that spring clip out gently. Be very gentle with it. It's going to take a few seconds. Be patient. It's going to come out. And you just have to get it out a little bit. Repeat the process for the one at the bottom one there. Again, just have to get it out a little bit. Make sure it doesn't just fly off. That is good. What we'll do is we'll grab the top end, push the hatch up a little bit. Now try pulling the top end out. That is good. Once it's out, see now the hatch is going to fall down. The hatch will not stay supported just by the other strut. Now we can just pull the other end off, and off it comes. There's the part number for it. Now see the spring clip. That's what keeps that socket onto the ball. So when you're putting the new one on, make sure the spring clip is undone, and only then will the socket go on the ball. Get the screwdriver and push that spring clip back in its place. Again, you have to make sure it's in all the way. So be patient with this. It's going to take a few seconds. Right, that is looking good. Let's try taking it out. It won't come out now because the spring clip is holding it in place. Repeat the process for the top end. Let's get this on. That is looking good. And now we need to also get this spring clip back in its place. Let's push this down gently. It falls in. Let's just make sure it's in from all the sides. That is good. That's looking good. Let's try taking this one out. It should not come out because the socket is now properly in place on the ball. That's good. That's about it. Let's try out the hatch, see if it works fine as it should, and it does. One more time, and that is pretty much it. Hope you found the video useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.